Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Balu Master. Today I am going to discuss sandwich theorem or else limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1 proof. This is the very important proof. This is compulsory question and which is contains 5 marks valuable in limits chapter. So look at carefully friends. So this derivation we are going to construct a circle whose center is O and of course this is radius. Let it be called A, and I want to consider one more radius like this. If you see, this is of course arc. I want to construct a tangent to the circle at this point A, and I want to extend this line. Both will meet at one point. I call that point as B and this point as C, and let us join A and C with the line. If you observe carefully, here there are three kind of pictures will be there. One is OAC triangle, one more is OAC sector, and the third one is OAB triangle again. What are they? One is OAC triangle, and one more is OAC sector. OAC sector means this is the sector like this. This is the triangle is there. Okay, OAC sector, and the third one is like this kind of one big triangle is there, or which is OAB triangle. Clear? So now, by using these three information, we are going to derive the proof. So we need to write the construction. Let it be called a circle having radius is center is O and radius is OA and OC also radius. Let us join A and C points. We are going to construct a tangent to the point A, and we can extend OC, and A will meet at the point as B. Okay. Then if you see the relation between all the three is very clearly what we can able to write that the area of triangle OAC according to the problem, area of triangle OAC, which is always less than area of sector OAC. So comparing to triangle OAC, sector OAC is bigger, and which is also less than area of triangle OAB. Very clearly from the diagram, isn't it? Now area of triangle OAC means what we can able to write. Area of triangle is half into base into height. So now this is what half into what is the base here OA into height. What is the height? So this is AC is the slant height. That's what we need to construct one perpendicular height along with OA. So I want to construct a line. So let it be called some D. So this is absolutely perpendicular to this OA. Okay, then what is the height of this thing? Height of this OAC triangle means CD, which is less than. Coming to next to sector area. What is the formula for sector area? Half into R square into theta. This is the formula. So now here half into what is the R? R means R is nothing but radius. Here what is the radius? OA square into here what is the angle? Let it be called angle from X. Why? Because you are going to prove sin X by X proof, right? That's what I call as angle X. So this is X. So this area of the sector is half into OA square, radius square into angle X, which is less than area of triangle OAB. What is area of triangle OAB? Of course, for this triangle also X is the angle. Of course, area of triangle is half into. So now, what is the half into base? What is the base here? OA into in this OAB triangle. What is the height? This is AB. Clear? So this is the inequality from the picture. So then what we can able to do, everywhere half is common and OA is also common. Then this can be written as, if you cancel everywhere, because OA is nothing but radius, which is positive, and 1 by D is also positive. If you cancel positive quantity, inequality doesn't change. That's what this can be written as CD, which is less than 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 cancel, OA cancel. One more OA is there. OA into X, which is less than 1 by 2 into OA will be cancelled. We are getting AB. Okay, this is the one of the equation. Now we are trying to find out CD value and AB value by using the diagram. So now how can you get CD value means, let us consider the triangle OCD. So from triangle OCD, from triangle ODC, from triangle ODC, so what we can interpret, what is this triangle? This is the triangle ODC triangle. O, this is D, this is C. This angle is X. From this ODC triangle, you want CD value finally. CD means this one. So what if you consider you will be getting CD, either sin X you can consider, why? Because opposite side will get. Okay, or else tan X you can consider, isn't it? If you consider sin X, okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. What is OC? OC is nothing but radius. That's what you can able to consider sin X very clearly. So from this, sin X is equals to opposite side CD by OC, which implies CD is equals to OC into sin X. So you are getting CD result by using this triangle. Let us move to one more triangle from triangle OAB. From the triangle OAB, you are going to get AB value. Isn't it? Then if you see the triangle is what? This is the triangle OAB. OAB. Now in this triangle what happened? This is the angle X. Again, if you want to know AB means either you can able to consider sin X or else tan X. If you consider sin X, what happened? So AB by OB. Opposite side by hypotenuse means AB by OB is the result, but you don't know the value of OB. That's what there is no use if you take sin X. That's what you are going to consider. Let us consider tan X. If you consider tan x, opposite side by adjacent side, that's what OA is nothing but radius only. That's what you will be getting the result. So let us consider here tan x only. Tan x is equals to opposite side AB by OA. So which implies AB is equals to OA into tan x. Clear? Now these two results I am going to substitute in star. So by star, you are going to write CD means OC into sin x, which is less than OA into x, which is less than AB, OA into tan x. If you see very clearly, OC is nothing but radius. Of course, OA is also radius. This OA also radius. In a circle, complete radii will be equal. That's what OC is always equal to OA. That's what everywhere. This is the positive quantity. That radius you can cancel. The inequality doesn't change. This can be written as sin x, which is less than x, which is less than tan x. Clear? Now, using this relation, we are going to derive limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1. So, what you are going to do here means, let us consider in the next step throughout divide by sin x. So, if you divide by sin x, what happened? Sin x by sin x, which is less than x by sin x, which is less than tan x by sin x, which implies 1 less than x by sin x, which is less than tan x by sin x, means tan x can be written as sin x by cos x by sin x. Sin x will cancel. You are getting 1 by cos x. I hope you understood. Tan x by sin x is there. Tan x can be written as sin x by cos x by sin x is there. That is nothing but by 1. It is nothing but sin x by cos x into 1 by sin x. Sin x can cancel. You are getting 1 by cos x. Now, what I want to do means just you need to take a reciprocal. If you take reciprocal, what happened? Inequality will be changed. 1 by 1, which is greater than. Whenever you are taking reciprocal, inequality will be changed. Reciprocal x by sin x becomes sin x by x, which is greater than 1 by cos. 1 by cos x is nothing but cos x. So this can be written as next cos x which is less than. Okay, you are going to write ulta sin x by x, which is less than 1. This is also can be written as like this. Now, what I am going to apply? So, you want limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. That's what throughout you apply limit value. So, if you apply limit value, limit x tends to 0 cos x, which is strictly less than limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, which is strictly less than limit x tends to 0. What to do? Limit x tends to 0 cos x. If you substitute in place of x 0, cos 0 is nothing but 1, which is less than limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, which is less than limit x tends to 0, any constant gives constant only. If the inequality will be the equation, any value inequality, lower limit and upper limit both are same means, lower limit and upper limit both are similar means, by the time that middle value must be equal to that result only. So limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1. So this is the proof of limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1. Also can be called as what? This is nothing but sandwich theorem. This is the most important question. Without this question, there is no question paper for all first PU students. So let's practice carefully, friends. That's all for today's class, friends. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, friends.